trick about uploading an image. Okay, I'm going to show you this site, remove.bg. Okay, so I'm going to have that website open. Okay, now I uploaded this image and it has my children, but it has all this background. So say I wanted that background removed. Okay, I am going to find the file I want. So I'm going to have to navigate to the correct folder. Okay, in this case, I want to get to pictures. Okay, it's in the me folder, and here is the image that I want. Okay, I just need to, here we go. So I'm going to grab it. I'm going to pull it up here to this remove BG, and you see how it got grayed out now? I'm going to drop it. Okay, as soon as I do that, it's going to change. And look, it removed the background, left my kids. So I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to right click and paste. Right click, paste, and resize it. Okay. You see the difference between the two pictures? This is without the background removed. This is with the background removed. This is optional. It's just an option for anyone who wants to get rid of excess background in their photographs.